Good day, YouTubers. I'm here at the golf course to try out a new camcorder I bought. What we do, we swing round to the other camera and see what it looks like. So here we go. Right, let's get it in the sun. Let's come round here. As you can see, it's a Samsung HMX-F80. Now, it's a very cheap camcorder when it was new. It's about 2012, so it is 8 years old now. And when it came out, it wasn't an expensive camera. Let's see if I can swing this round so we can stay in the shade. Basically, it's on and off. It's got its own microphone, stereo I believe. It's got a menu which is there. We'll switch it on. Here it comes. You can't see it because of the sun, but it's basically got standby up there, ready to video, menu and a toggle switch and an end switch there. What we do, under the flap here on the side, let's just undo this flap. You've got your AV audio out, your charging input and your HDMI out, and your card for recording onto. You've got smart auto button, which is what I'm going to be using, a smart 8 BGM, which quite honestly I haven't even read the manual yet. I've only just got it yesterday, so this is my first time using it. On top there's a toggle for zoom. The battery's at the back. The battery is amazing on it, it's still lasting well, so that's a good thing. You're on and off here for videoing, and a hand grip, and then this is the shutter release to keep the shutter on and off, open and closed. I don't know if you can see that. You can see it better now. It's in remarkable lovely condition, and I'll tell you in the description how much I paid for it on eBay, and it was incredibly cheap. Right, so I'm going to switch my phone off now for this part of the video, and I'm just going to run some tests on it. And it's only 720p, and I got the phone set on 720p too, so it keeps it the same, and I shall upload it onto YouTube in 720p too. So bear with me, let me fire up the cam and see what results we get. Thank you. Right, I'm here with the cam running, the camcorder's running, and I've got the screen twisted round so I can see myself, so it's ideal for vlogging. It's running now, the recording side. It's on smart auto. The sun is behind me, which is probably better, but when I take some video of behind me in a second, it might block itself out because of the sun zooming into the camera, but we'll see. Right, so here we go. I'm just tightening everything up on the tripod, and for some reason Smart Auto's not come up, so I'm going to stop this with the camcorder, and we just go on this fence first because this is half out the sun, and we'll slightly zoom in on this, see how the focus stays, whether it stays okay or goes out of focus. It's gone out a little bit. Oh, it's refocused in, so that's quite good on the zoom side. That handle or that lock seemed to zoom in quite well. Got to keep the tripod still. It's a bit of a nightmare. Go back to normal, which really these cameras are made for, just normal videoing. Right, we go round onto the grass of the golf course, nice and slowly. We'll do a pan round. We're gradually going into the sun, and I don't think it likes filming into the sun. Not all cameras do, as you know. Let's just take it up to the sun. Where are you, sunshine? No, can't see it on my own screen. So we just pan round on the golf course. We'll have a little zoom in there on them trees. Car just went past. That's full zoom on that tree. We'll take it back. That's not bad. That is not bad really when you think it's going into the sunshine too. Round here, golf course is nice and quiet this morning. Sunday morning, all the golfers are normally out, but it's mid-December, so it's a bit on the cold side, even for me. I'm shivering here a bit. Anyway, that's about it. That's all I can show you for this, really. There's no actual... Let's just go in on that tree up there. That's half zoom, so that's not bad. That's not doing too bad. For the money I picked it up for, I'm not complaining. Facing out of the sun, so we're not into the sun no more. We're going out just across the edge. Car coming past. We're in a car park at the moment, and I'm going to try some zooming up to that house. Bit shaky now. I've got nothing to support the camera. Half zoom. Back to normal. That's right. Now let's just try one other mode. This was smart mode, so we'll end that recording. We're recording again now, and this is in smart RGM, whatever that is, and we're zooming again. Half zoom, full zoom, and I'm shaking like a leaf, so we'll zoom out of that but that's not bad. Just for normal videoing, not facing the sun behind you, which is the correct way to do it. That's ideal. Right, thank you. Right, see you on the next video. Have a nice Christmas, please subscribe, and I hope you have a good day and a good weekend. Bye.